This is probably the single biggest reason most traders fail, and it's actually a really simple fix. And this may be something that you're currently doing right now. Let me know in the comments if this sounds familiar, but let's say you have a couple of good weeks in your trading. You're making money consistently, you're following your trading plan, and you feel like everything is starting to click. Let's say you're risking $50 per trade. And then on the third week, right after, you feel a little overly confident. You feel like you're somewhat invincible. You feel like, hey, I'm finally a profitable trader, and you start to dramatically increase your risk. And you increase your risk from, let's say, $50 all the way to $200. And then the next day, you end up losing money. And then you're like, oh, okay, well, maybe that's a fluke. Maybe it was just one losing day. And then all of a sudden, the next day, you lose even more. And then you lose even more the next day. And now you're like, oh my God, what's going on? I had 2 weeks of consistently profitable trading, and then I raised my risk, and all of a sudden I basically gave back all of the profits. I gave back everything I made, and I don't know what to do. This is something that all traders go through, and you need to understand that just because you can make money with $50 risk doesn't mean you can make money with $200 risk or $500 risk. And a lot of traders scale their risk way too quickly. Whenever you scale your risk, it's going to have a big impact on your psychology and on your mindset, because all of a sudden you're dealing with different numbers. The fluctuation in your P&L is going to be larger, and that could cause you to make a lot of emotional and impulsive decisions. With $50 risk, maybe it feels comfortable letting your winners run and being in potential drawdown. However, once you raise that to $200 risk, all of a sudden that might not feel as comfortable anymore. Maybe you want to take profits a little bit quicker. As a result, you're not getting the same reward to risk on your trades. And maybe you end up getting out of losing trades way too early before they hit your stop loss. And maybe some of those trades never end up hitting your stop and they actually reach target. The point here is never scale your risk too quickly. You want to scale your risk maybe 20 to 30% at a time, and then you trade with that risk for a couple of weeks. And then if you see continuous results, that's when you can once again scale your risk 20 to 30%.